How to use the offset command in AutoCAD. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. In this video, you will learn how to use the offset command in AutoCAD. The offset command in AutoCAD allows you to create parallel lines, curves, or circles at a specified distance or through a point from an existing object. You can use this command to quickly create drawings with many parallel elements, such as walls, fences, or roads. To use the offset command, follow these steps. Click the Home tab. Modify panel. Then, the offset command. Or typo in the command line and press Enter. Specify the offset distance by entering a value or using the pointing device to determine a distance with 2 points. Select the object that you want to offset, such as a line, a curve, or a circle. Specify a point to indicate whether the object is to be offset inside or outside of the original object. You can also use the following options in the offset command. Erase. This option erases the source object after it is offset. Layer. This option determines whether offset objects are created on the current layer or on the layer of the source object. Multiple. This option allows you to repeat the offset operation using the current offset distance. You can exit the multiple mode by pressing Enter. Undo. This option reverses the previous offset. Through. This option allows you to create an object passing through a specified point, instead of using a fixed distance.